Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the Budgie's eye infection. One of our Budgie got infected on this eye. This blue one was blind. He could not see anything, even his food. So now we are going to talk about it. And for this you will need two medicines. And these medicines are eye drops. And their names are Methachlor and Archigolab. You can see these right here. Methachlor is better because it's expensive. Archigolab is cheap. That's why we'll not use it. We'll use Methachlor. So now you can take the Budgie out in a cloth or it might bite you. Okay, now we take it out. The Budgie. Now we'll put the eye drops in the Budgie's both eyes. So now here I'm putting the Methachlor. You can see right here. Now I am done. So please subscribe my channel and bye.